Transform this to this. Hello everyone, my name is Haywood. I'm one of the head bakers here at The Big Bakes. Today we've got a Forest Friends theme and I'm going to be showing you how to do this cute little hedgehog cake. Okay, so for step one, we're going to stack and fill our sponges. We've got some chocolate sponges. You can choose any flavour that you like. I've gone for chocolate. This part does not need to be completely smooth. Okay, so to make our facial features for our hedgehog, we are going to start with the nose. So I've got some brown fondant here and I'm just going to mould it into a snout. So now I'm just going to add the tip of the nose. That's just a bit of black fondant that I've rolled out. I'm going to give it a slightly pointed end. I'm going to go in with a sharp knife. You can use a cocktail stick or a toothpick. Adds a bit of texture. For the eyes, we've got some black fondant here that we're going to roll out. And then I'm going to use the opposite end of a piping tip just to cut out some circles. So white fondant now, this will just be for the pupils that are going to sit. Now that we've made the snout, I'm going to move on to the facial base, the feet and the ears. Okay, so we've made all our facial features and our extra elements here. Now it's time to assemble. We're going to pipe our fur. So to do that, we have a little star tip or a rose tip, whichever piping nozzle you prefer. So we've applied all our facial features. Our hedgehog is looking much cuter. Now we're ready to do our finishing touches. So I'm going to add some grass onto my board. To make that, I've just got some desiccated coconut that I've dyed green. And there you have it, these cute forest friends. Be sure to subscribe for more recipes, tips and baking joy.